Alright, hope you all are doing well. Today I got the Zero Feud C.U.P B game pouch version 2. So I had version 1 that I really liked, but the cribbage board was pretty thick and I needed a change. So if you like this video, like, subscribe, comment, share, coffee, all that stuff. I'll put a link to Zero Feud. It won't be an affiliate link or anything, but I do really like these pouches. The cup B size, the compact utility pouch B, is 25 bucks last I looked, and the smaller size is 20. So in this front pocket, the back, you got Velcro. I have not put a patch on there. I got to put something on there. But on the front pocket, just got some business cards with dice games on them, different games to play. And in the left side, I've got a full deck of cards. Yeah, a little bit creating a shadow there. And I've got 10 dice. And the reason I go with 10 dice, I think the most dice we use is for a game called Octo, which is 8. Since this goes on cruises with us a lot, if you lose dice there, you can't really buy anymore. So I just want to have a little bit of extra just in case. Now I've got some backgammon pegs in here, and in this one I have a cribbage board with cribbage pegs that folds up really nicely. Now originally these came, and I'm not sure if I did this in a video or not, as an update, so this might be version 3 of the game pouch, because the backgammon and the cribbage board came in a Altoid style tin. Now that did work on the cruise, but it really stretched out the bag or the pouch. So I went this route with making it skinnier and found ways to get the dice in there so that it easier fit in my personal item bag with camera gear and whatnot, just to try and keep it more compact, which is kind of the name of the game. So I went this route. And then here is the Etsy seller. You might have to zoom in on that, but really cool stuff. Really like the boards, and the cribbage board worked great. I think the only thing is once in a while you gotta be a little careful, and this is it's just a very lightweight cribbage board. You just kind of have to, when you're pulling the pegs out, just maybe keep the other finger, just when you're using it, just kind of pull it out so that you don't take your opponent's pegs and knock them out. And then of course they're gonna, not purposely, but they don't know where they were, so it's just a mess. So then got the EDC pen, and got 3 dice for a darts to dice game. Really fun, kind of like cricket, except for you do all 20 numbers. And there's like a deal with the bullseyes, which are kind of a pain, or very few and far between, the way that the directions, we kind of have an alternative thing how we do it. So if you all are interested, let me know. But yeah, definitely look up the game. I like giving to the creators, and I think the game is under $3. I don't know if it's on Amazon where it's at, but it's super cheap. And somebody came up with the idea, so we definitely bought it. We have since switched out to cooler looking dice, but we definitely bought 1 copy of the game because it's cheap and the creator deserves some credit for it. And so one thing with the Cup B pouches, the first one I bought, the left side was full back pocket like this, and the right side was also a full back pocket. Off the top of my head, I don't remember if this was a split pocket like this one was, but when I got this one, they've had 2 versions over time. I expected the full back pocket, but I wasn't sad when I got the the back was also sewed down, so it was split here, but it didn't work for the game pouch. So I've since bought a seam ripper, but since I knew the sewing here did not go all the way through, what I did is took a toothpick knife and cut the stitching. Now I did a real good job all the way down to here. As you can see, I did a horrible job here because I dug the knife in and cut had a little boo-boo in my pouch. So maybe this would have been a better boo-boo kit, but haha. But I did go and just hand sew this because I didn't want to like put this on the sewing machine because it would go all the way through. So I just kind of hand sewed it. It's not perfect, but it's going to hold. So I fixed my pouch. But these things are super useful. I mean, with any pouch. And this is kind of a cool thing. I kind of found a very out there, very alternative idea for an EDC pouch. And honestly, for us, when we're on a cruise or on a airplane-based vacation, this is truly an everyday carry for us. It's in our bag, sling, whatever we're carrying, and it's always with us. So if we got time, we play a game of cribbage, we play a game of dice, whatever. So it's not a 365, but it's a vacation everyday carry. So hope you enjoyed and have a great day.